Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Cost-sensitive boosting pruning trees for depression reduction on Twitter. How to detect depression reduction in Twitter using boosting and pruning tree algorithm. Next, discuss about overview of the project. Abstract. Depression is one of the most common mental health disorder, and a large number of depressed people commit suicide each year. Potential depression sufferers usually do not consult psychological doctors because they feel ashamed or are unaware of any depression, which may result in severe delay of diagnosis and treatment. In this project, we argue that it is feasible to identify depression at any early stage by mining online social behavior. Our approach, which is innovative to the practice of depression reduction, does not rely on the extraction of numerous or complicated features to achieve accurate depression detection. Instead, classifiers, namely Addons and decision tree classifier, which demonstrates a strong classification ability on two publicly accessible Twitter depression detection data set. Finally, we comprehensively explore the influence factors for the model prediction, and the results manifest that our proposed framework, which is promisingly for identifying Twitter's users with depression. Next, discuss about project flow diagram. Start, select and load dataset, data pre-processing, natural language processing, data splitting, count vectorization, algorithm implementation, prediction and result generation. Start the program. Next, select and load Twitter dataset. Data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is to remove unwanted data from the data set. Clean the data set. Check null values and replace with 0. NLP, natural language processing. Focus on making natural human language used by computer that are human readable text. NLP concept is remove stop words, stemming words, punctuations. That is, stop words is to ignore a is that words. Stemming is to remove ing words. Gaming, game, that's a NLP process. Next, data splitting. Data splitting is data is splitted into X and Y labels. That's purpose is splitted into training and testing data set. Next, count vectorization. The text format is aligned in various order. So to convert collection of text, that's the purpose is count vectorization. Next, algorithm implementation. Addons classifier algorithm and then decision tree classifier algorithm. Prediction and then accuracy prediction. Next, result generation. Find accuracy, FN score, prediction and recall. Prediction and accuracy predicted for Addons classifier algorithm and decision tree classifier algorithm. All places are 0, so no null values. Next, remove unwanted column. We want only 2 columns tweet and target, so remove another columns. Next, model selection. Model selection is splitting, data splitting. Data is splitted into X and Y label. That's purpose is training and testing data. So X label data set, Y label data set. Next, count vectorization. Count vectorization is to convert collection of text. Okay. Next, implementation of algorithms. First algorithm is Addons classifier. Addons classifiers accuracy result 96. Addons classifier prediction status precision 66, accuracy 96, F1 score 64, recall 61. And next, proposed decision tree classifier accuracy 97, decision tree prediction status precision 75, accuracy 97, F1 score 71, recall 69. And checking the tweet depressed or not depressed. So tweet is not depressed, so normal. And then see confusion matrix. Confusion matrix is, this is a confusion matrix. This is a positive value, true positive. This is false positive, this is false negative, and then true negative. This is the most true positive values. And then comparison graph. Comparison graph is there. ABC is the Addons classifier, DT decision tree. This one is 96, this is 97.